Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video on CAF's channel. Do click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it to be notified for future exciting content. Great, let's get into it. Hello guys, and welcome to another interesting video on CAF's channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to capture your digital address using the Ghana Post GPS application. This application is available on both the App Store and also Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS or an Apple phone, you can go to the App Store to download your application and go to Google Play Store to download your application if you are using an Android-based device. It is also very important to note that in the first step of downloading the app or after you've downloaded the app, it will ask you to confirm your phone number. That is normal. Just input your phone number and confirm your number. Then again, it is also very important to note that before you capture your digital address, you must stand in an open space. To be precise, stand outside to capture your location. If you are indoors, the application would not work. Okay, so quickly we launch our app. Okay, so Ghana Post. Alright, so you wait for it to load whilst it captures your location. Please stand outside. Beautiful. So once you have your address captured, you see it in green. The green means that it is best used. Okay, once it's in green, it means that is accurate. Alright, so our digital address here is GE1547854. However, if you are not able to derive your digital address, the school has given us two options, either to use your digital address or your physical location. Alright, an example of your physical location could be Tema Community 3. Okay, so if you are not successful in obtaining your digital address, you can use your physical location. That is an example as Tema Community 3. So based on where you live, then you give your physical address. So guys, this is how to capture your digital address using the Ghana Post GPS application. I wish you guys all the best in your exams. Straight A's is what we aim at. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to give it a like and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you are new to this channel. Do also click on any of the tabs you can see here to watch my previous videos I have uploaded. Stay safe and have a good day.